This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Welcome back. This is episode 370. This is Not Your Advisor with NYU Grad. Let's jump right into today's session. So the Dow leads the way. The Mag 7 are almost all red, except for Meta. And the semiconductors were also all red. But let's peel back the onion on breadth. We had 349 new highs versus 153 new lows. 58% of stocks were advancing versus 39% declining. 48% were below the 50 and 43% were below the 200-day moving average. I'm recording this a little bit past 3:30 New York. The Dow led the way, as I said. The Nasdaq is still red. It's trying to close off of the lows, trading in this range between 19,940 and close to 20K. But taking a quick look at mega cap, as I mentioned, Meta is the only green Mag 7 right now. That's not great news. If you take a look at the sectors, tech is leading to the downside, down a little bit over 0.25%. Healthcare was up 0.9%. Utilities 0.87%. Industrials 0.81%. Financials up 0.5%. Real estate, energy, and communication services were all up about 0.4%. Basic materials 0.38%. Consumer defensive 0.31%. So not too much excitement today, and especially with all of the news regards to Stargate, you would think that the Mag 7, especially names like Microsoft, Nvidia, would do really well. And they're not. So that's something to watch out for. Basically, when you see this type of action where the Dow leads and all of the Mag 7 or Mag 6 are red, that tells me rotation into safety. It's only one day, though. Let's see what happens on Friday. Tonight, with an action like today, what you want to watch for are yields as well as currency pairs and the Nikkei. This could spell trouble. Typically, when you see rotation like this, but it doesn't mean all the time, but sometimes. So that's something to watch out for overnight. Let's cover what was strong, what was weak. In the S&P 500, you had Moderna up 6.4, GE Aerospace 6.2, Union Pacific 5.1, Enphase Energy 4.8, Constellation Energy 4.5, CarMax 4.1, Marathon Petroleum 4, Abbott Labs 3.6, Valero Energy 3.6, GE Vernova 3.5, EPAM Systems 3.5, Vistra Energy 3.5, Bristol Myers 3.3. In the NASDAQ, you had Constellation Energy up 4.5, Booking Holdings up 3, Netflix up 2.8, DoorDash up 2.4. What was weak in the S&P? Electronic Arts is down 17% today. I didn't see the news, but I'm sure there was something going on. Leidos Holdings down 6, Micron down 3.9%, WR Berkeley down 3.1, Applied Materials 3.1, Lam Research 3.1, Biotechnicorp 3, United Airlines 2.8. In the NASDAQ, you had ARM Holdings down 8.3%, Micron down 3.9%, ASML Holdings 3.3%, Applied Materials 3.1%, Take-Two Interactive 2.6%, Global Foundries 2.4%, Trade Desk 2.3%, Fortinet 2.1%, KLA C Corp 2%, Intel 1.8%. So as you can see, the semis took it on the chin. Free members continue to watch the macro yields, as well as currency pairs, and overnight the Nikkei for the Japanese stock market, and clues to the yen, because the yen carry trade or just the yen short in general is what is funding a lot of this bull market. So with that, I'll let you all go. Premium members, please stay on. I'm going to cover macro today, as well as the Mag 7 and nuclear energy stocks. That's my train.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.